First, start by creating a Photoshop script. This can easily be done with ChatGPT or Perplexity. Most importantly, give it a good prompt so it understands what the script needs to perform for you. For me, it is important that the script stores 4 sizes: 21 by 30 centimeters, 30 by 40 centimeters, 50 by 70 centimeters, and 70 by 100 centimeters. Please note that it is important to start with the largest size, so indicate that in the prompt. Now copy the script and paste it into a text editor. I use Visual Studio Code, create a new file, paste the script into it, and then save the script. I do this now on my desktop.
Now we can test the script. Open your file that you want to save in multiple formats, then go to File Scripts Browse and select your script. Now the script asks for the storage location for the new files. Choose where you want them. As you can see, the script has now saved all the formats for me. Let's see if this was successful. I can easily automate many tasks this way. In fact, all actions can be automated. If you perform actions often, it can be useful to write a script for this. For example, I have a script that automatically imports images from a folder into Illustrator, saves them in different formats, adds a cut contour, uses the correct save settings, and creates a unique folder name. This literally saves me hours a day.
Did you find this useful? Please leave a like to help growing my channel. Thank you.